This is Trashy Tips and Stuff. Today, tmux basic commands. This is the freeze frame, look at it in your own time, now we're in the terminal. We'll start off by opening tmux by just typing tmux, and now we're in something that looks like a terminal, just a tiny bit different, and we've got a green thingy at the bottom. We can do all sorts of normal things such as ls and nano, and we'll close nano, and now we'll create a new window, which we will do by typing in the leader key combination, which is by default Control B, adding C to it, so Control B, C will create a new window. You see at the bottom that we have two windows open, both of them running bash. The star denotes which window is currently open. You can close a window by just doing Control D, and if you close the last window, you'll be out of your tmux session entirely. I reopened tmux to demonstrate another thing. Yeah, well, I'm opening windows again, I'm echoing stuff, I open nano, but now you can leave tmux without entirely closing it by detaching, which will be leader key D or Control B plus D. Now you can ls, tmux ls, essentially showing you all the sessions which were open, and tmux attach, which I just did to reattach to the last session. And now we're back where we left off. Thank you.